right. Good morning. My coffee's finishing up right now, so I'll be getting started very shortly. Maybe I'll check out some stuff while the coffee's going. Let's see. I think I want to take a break from the battle. One of the things I really like about making games is that there are always so many different modes of thought that you can be doing, and different things you can be working on. So if you get tired of one thing, there's always 20 other things you can be doing. So what do we really want to do? First cup of coffee in the morning. Looks pretty good. I think I want to change this to show maybe everyone's inventory. Maybe not. Put my headphones on and check sound. Actually, I don't have, let me close that out. I have to turn off the battle music because it's copyright. So, this way you can hear the battle sounds. So we'll do that. Let's get right to battle. So we need to play sounds when those happen. And I need menu sounds, but we do have sounds for the events. They're not final, but so that looks pretty good. It's not 100%, but we're able to get the idea there. But like I said, I don't want to mess with battle today. So I'm going to turn that back off. I'm going to get some music going for myself. Hey kitties. Alright, let's do... That's pretty good. We might have... open up main. Actually, we want. So we can do that. Target scene. That way I can toggle it off at the main, and it'll turn off battles for all of the battles, or for all of the worlds. Oh, I don't have data for that. That's weird. Rocks. I don't know why I was able to walk over those. So it is getting it. We should be getting here. So we're gonna do that. So we get solid. But up here it's registering as false. But we should be hitting this. do that. Zero. What? That's weird. None should not be zero. Oh, that's why. I guess if you do -1, it's gonna, it like resets the numbers or something. So we'll start there then. Yeah, so collision works. There we go. That was the problem. So we can get rid of, keep that for now. That's a good one. You know what? I just want to drag this all out. That's all right. Let's test it out. I think these need to be H boxes. Or like... So I want it to be like that, with the stack size. But this has to be right aligned. Maybe maybe I don't want to tackle that right now. Where's that? We'll see if there's an automatic way to do it. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to manually set those. We'll take a look. Make sure that's off. All right. So I think I think we'll have auto wrap on by default. Just seeing if there's any built-in functionality for that. Alright, that's alright. We'll do it manually. Focus neighbor left, top, right, bottom. So focus neighbors to auto wrap. I'm gonna call this down here. Do I need X and Y? I think I do. Let me think. I think we do. It's going to be. be like, let's get columns. This will be just round that. Two. It would be X in rows for Y in row X and calls. I might have to sketch this out. Let's just try and do it one by one for now. Would be so 0, 0. If we go to X, right, it'd be 1 times 0. No, that's not right then. Here, I'll sketch it out. So we have like a grid container, right? 0, 1. So I need to like tell this one. Oh, you know what? I'm overcomplicating this. That's on me. I think we just need to worry about wrapping the top and the bottom. That's why sometimes you just got to sketch it out. So it'd be like we loop through the top row and then we loop through the bottom row, and we're just going to be setting the top and bottom neighbors. Okay. So it's going to be for X in columns. I think we can still do that. It's going to be I just like declaring that once. So it'll be button equals. This is for the top row. We're going to do button dot neighbor top. I guess I have to get the bottom row. Okay, new idea. This is something that would probably be easier, like if I had a programming background, but I've just kind of been figuring it out for 5 years and seeing what sticks. So anyway, we're gonna get the top row. So it's gonna be top. So that's fine for the top row. I think we got to set the focus neighbors later. But then, so I have to figure out how to get the bottom row. So it's going to be, we have to start at that. So it's going to be what? Rows times columns. All right, so if we have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2, that would be 8. Rows times columns minus 1. 2. Yeah, because that will put us there, and then we can go through. All right, so it's rows times columns minus 1. All right, so we have our top and bottom rows now. Let's just delete that for now. Then do, it's like, but we have to account for, what's paint here? So the problem is if we don't have an index there, we have to check if it's valid. If not, we're gonna do -2 to get that one. So we'll do, I think we're gonna use that button thing again for this one. Actually, if x greater than buttons dot get signs, that's wrong. Then we want to do, let me think, it's going to be, it's going to be x minus cols. And then we continue. So for button and top row, oh, it's already declared. Yeah, we don't need that. But you know what? I'm going to use it down here. No. So your top is going to equal your focus neighbor bottom equals top button. It has to be a node path. actually a good path. Yeah, cool. So we'll test that out. I'd be pretty pleased if it just works, and it doesn't. Focus neighbor bottom on base button. Alright, so we're getting the same button. That's not good. Let's see. Oh, we're not checking if it's not a grid container. Is that right? So we just don't do it if it's not a grid for now. We'll add that later. Grab focus. Okay, we don't want that one there, actually. We need that when we enable focus. I don't think that'll fix the bug, but we need to do it anyway. On base button with value type. I think it's because it's trying to set it to itself. So it's a problem with how we're getting. We need to print. Let's do. Around the world, around the world. So we can see what's happening there. Items. Okay. So maybe we don't need that -1. That could have been the whole problem. Item status, item. Yeah, that's not right. Oh, whoops. just see what that does again. I think I know the problem. Item status spell. So we need to begin it. It's gonna be the end of it. You just do that. Oh, whoops. Wait, what? Let's be. Maybe. Dari config save. Dari config. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Config save. Man, that looks right. Alright, because we're getting that at the top, we're getting that at the bottom. But it's still breaking down here. And they're valid buttons. We can see that. Let's see. Yeah. Right, so this is telling us, right, that's our top button, that's our bottom, which is correct. I don't understand why this doesn't work. Of course I can't click on it. We still like, yield or something? No. I don't know. Okay, so the top one works. I'm doing pressing up and it wraps around. Just does not like when I do that, and it might be because it's disabled. So we can test that out. And that's really something they should tell you. Top menu. If I enable these two, where am I going? Up here, yeah. Did I re-enable that code? Yeah. No, okay, so it's not that. Focus neighbor bottom. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Wow, I'm a professional. Oh, jeez. Alright, now we have the functionality. Cool. So we... That's weird. Whoa. If I press up on that, it's putting us down? Why is it doing that? Oh, it might be a grid container. We define the targets. Let's see. Excuse me. Yeah, I could probably just change that to a VBox, but I think what I'm going to do instead is in menu. Right, because otherwise it's just a VBox, essentially. And here it's going to be let me copy some of this. Yeah, we might as well do this. Just do this. Cool. Cool. Beautiful. Now I want to do left and right. Maybe we don't need that. Yeah, I think we'll hold off on that for now. Works on all these. Good. Cool. Players and the buttons. Hmm. I want to do a riff on this guy. So that's how they fit him. He's kind of, yeah, okay. We don't need that. I don't want to copy it too much. So he's kind of like just roughing it in. Are both of his legs kind of like that? Wait, I gotta see him again. Okay, so one kind of falls back. Okay. Yeah. I think I made like squash this a little, just a little bit. That's too high up. It's gonna be like we're just going with the flow here. Maybe it's some jacked up monstrosity. Oh man, what is this thing? Oh my god, does it need to be a taller sprite? Maybe, I don't know. I have to see this to fruition here. It's just cracking me up. Let's get some red in there. It's like oh man, maybe there's like these things. Maybe it's got like, we're figuring it out. Like um, Might be a little too much leg action down there. Actually, that should be all shadow. I really like this pixel perfect. Allows you to get smoother lines. Pretty nice. We need this guy has a lot of colors. I want to drag like this whole thing down. Kind of like something like that. Not too far. That makes it look too much like boobs. You don't want that. This. Dun, 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 dun. A lot of this, it's just by feel. Kind of looks like Samus up there. Let's finish these legs before I move on. Not too far. Oops. I don't know if I want that light blue. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah, we just gotta like bring that up a bit. I think. That's the answer. Oh, maybe not. I just have to communicate that that's like the knee, that's the thigh. And I hate to do it, but I think like this whole portion needs to be kind of just smushed up. Yeah, screw it. He's gonna be janky. Let's get the sword. He's got like a big axe. That's kind of a problem. He's just facing head on. I don't know. Oh, jeez. Let's just figure it out. I think at this point I might make a new layer. Kind of roughing out the arms. Actually, I gotta put this behind. I think this is lower. It's gonna be like, oh, I can't even see that. That's what we do to fix that. Like lime green. um, That's all right. Let's put that on the wrong layer. Move. Yeah, we need something like that. um, nah. Putting this on the wrong layer, but oh well. Yeah, that's getting better. Let me just bring this up 1 pixel. No. So we're gonna see what he looks like in the game, or she. So it's just a rough draft, like most of the art. Just trying to get it figured out. Should be good. Whoops. All right, so that should be in our battle now. Yeah, not bad. I mean, we definitely have to clean it up a bit. Like, that shouldn't be so rectangular, but guys should be pretty difficult. I don't know if they have a lot of attack power, but they definitely have defense. So that just made me realize that I don't have any distinction between magic power and physical power. So I'm gonna have to implement that. So magic, more. Alright, so I'm gonna take a break. I might be back later, but I got a pretty busy day.